This is the Pulse Generation Circuit Construction 555 Astable Multivibrator for EET 238. I am going to run through this real quickly and go off of the schematic. And then I'll just route everything based upon my chip. So we have ground wire on pin 1. Pin 2, I have connected to pin 6, as well as in the middle of resistor 2 and capacitor, which is this long one right here, or resistor 2 and capacitor 1 going into ground. We're also going to look at pin 8, which is VCC powered, and we are going to look at our LEDs over here. So these are running from pin 4, or pin 4 is running into power, and then this LED is also powered into here, into resistor 3. Then we have a cable going in between resistor 3 and resistor 4 going into pin 3. And then resistor 4 is going into the LED. LED is going into ground. And then you can just see the bridges here just to make sure that the entire board is connected and properly energized, or the contacts are in sync. So I'm gonna turn this on. Well, let me go through the specific components so we can judge the speed. We have the 0.1 Mylar capacitor. Resistor 1 is 33,000. There is a 47,000 that is on here, but the theoretical time for that is 0.009 seconds. When I put that in there, I was trying to figure out why it didn't seem like it was working. And so I put a 500,000 resistor here, just to see the speed of it, to make sure that my capacitor was actually going to work with this circuit. And as we can see, even with that being 500,000 ohms, we are still going pretty fast in between these, but we can see with all the connections that these two LEDs are alternating back and forth. And then just a quick overview of the circuit. This one running into this one, and then going back and forth. Then we're powered here from the DC power supply, and then connection bridge here, and then that capacitor going into ground, and you can see my leads coming off and then going back into the chip.